Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the secrets behind the perfect morning toast with the best 4-slice toaster options on the market. Whether you're a breakfast aficionado or a busy professional seeking efficiency, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more kitchen essentials insights. Number 1. Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 Long Slot 4-Slice Toaster, a game changer in breakfast convenience. This toaster brings a perfect blend of functionality and style to your kitchen countertop. With its sleek stainless steel and black design, it effortlessly complements any kitchen decor. The extra-wide slots accommodate bagels and waffles with ease, while the built-in warming rack ensures your toast stays warm until you're ready to enjoy it. Featuring 6 toast settings, including reheat, defrost, and cancel functions, this toaster offers precise control over your toasting preferences. Whether you prefer a lightly toasted slice or a golden brown crunch, the Elite Gourmet Toaster delivers consistent results every time. Say goodbye to cold toast and hello to breakfast bliss with the Elite Gourmet ECT 3100. Number 2. Quaser 4-Slice Toaster Oven, Brushed Stainless, CPT 180P1. This sleek kitchen essential combines style and functionality seamlessly. With its brushed stainless finish, it adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. But it's not just about looks, this toaster oven delivers on performance too. Its spacious interior can accommodate 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, making it perfect for quick meals or snacks. The multiple cooking functions, including toast, bake, broil, and reheat, ensure versatility for various culinary needs. Plus, the adjustable temperature control and timer allow precise cooking every time. Say goodbye to soggy reheated leftovers. The CPT 180P1 ensures crispy perfection. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Quaser 4-Slice Toaster Oven. Number 3. Mueller Ultra Toast Full Stainless Steel Toaster 4-Slice, a sleek addition to your kitchen arsenal. With its long extra-wide slots and removable tray, toasting becomes a breeze, accommodating various bread sizes and making cleanup effortless. The cancel/defrost/reheat functions offer versatility, catering to your toasting needs with ease. Equipped with 6 browning levels and an LED display, achieving the perfect toast is a cinch. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the stylish design adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. Say goodbye to uneven toasting and hello to consistent results every time with the Mueller Ultra Toast Full Stainless Steel Toaster 4-Slice. Number 4. Yano Toaster 4-Slice, a sleek addition to your kitchen arsenal that combines style and functionality seamlessly. Crafted with durable stainless steel and boasting extra-wide slots, this toaster accommodates various bread sizes with ease. Its high-lift lever ensures safe and effortless retrieval of smaller items like muffins or bagels. With specialized functions for bagels and muffins, you can enjoy perfectly toasted treats every time. The removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup, while the 7 shade settings offer precise control over your desired toast darkness. Plus, the warming rack lets you keep toast warm until you're ready to enjoy it. Elevate your breakfast game with the Yano Toaster 4-Slice, where innovation meets reliability in every slice. Number 5. Proctor Silex 4-Slice Toaster, a game changer for your breakfast routine. With its sleek design and black finish, this toaster adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. The extra-wide slots accommodate bagels perfectly, while the cool touch walls ensure safety during use. Whether you prefer a light or dark toast, the shade selector allows you to customize your toast to perfection. Need a little extra lift? The Toast Boost feature ensures easy removal of smaller slices. Worried about forgetting to switch it off? Fear not, as the auto shut-off function kicks in for peace of mind. Plus, with the convenient cancel button, you have full control over your toasting process. Upgrade your mornings with the Proctor Silex 4-slice toaster. Breakfast just got better. In conclusion, selecting the best 4-slice toaster comes down to individual preferences, considering factors like performance, durability, and features. Whether you prioritize sleek design, advanced technology, or budget-friendly options, there's a toaster out there to suit your needs. We've explored top contenders in this video to guide your decision-making process. Thanks for tuning in and exploring these options with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, and be sure to hit the like button and share this video with friends who might find it helpful.